What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying in today's video, guys, is an update on LCA. You guys know this is one of our home run plays in the making, as well as an update on the market in general. Also, man, I want to put it out here that, again, as we close another successful week, let me know if you guys want to return and do some options for next week, okay? Just let me know in the comments, and then over the weekend, I can begin to research and get us an option play together. Also, guys, if you're new here and haven't liked and subscribed yet, please do so. Help us on the journey to 100K, especially if I've helped you in any way. I'm talking about whether that's make some money, give you a new perspective on the stock market, or what have you. Listen, guys, without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, your boy is currently sitting at $92,761.34. It has been a phenomenal week in the market, man, I must say, okay? Regardless of everything that's going on, we are still plowing ahead, man, in an upwards trend, okay? And that's the thing you want to do, and that's the way that you want to craft your portfolio so that you can dominate, whether we're in a recession like we're in right now or a pandemic like we're in right now. And I often say, you guys have to ask yourself, what would Chris and what would all of our portfolios be doing if we didn't have a lockdown, a shutdown, and a pandemic we were all dealing with? Something to just ask yourself, guys. But listen, man, I got a jam-packed video for us today. I'm going to start off with Palantir, again, another one of our hit plays, and just walk you guys through a couple updates I have on a few stocks. Guys, this one isn't new to any of you. You already know this was a recent IPO that has since skyrocketed since we got into this play back around $8.90, around $9-ish, okay? Listen, I told you guys about an option play for this, and did you guys see out of nowhere Citron came and threw out some negativity on the play, okay? But I want to show you guys something. Temporarily on the day, it had sent the stock down, all right? It knocked it down almost 5%. Check out what it's doing after hours. Either look at my screen or pull it up on your brokerage account. It is up over 2.5% in the after hours. Listen, haters will come and they will say all kind of nonsense, okay? However, I told you guys, the cream always rises to the top. You don't have to react. You don't have to give in to whether it's a Citron hater in regards to stocks or whether it's somebody in your real life that may be throwing salt, okay? Again, it comes with the territory, is to be expected. However, look at how this stock is weathering the storm of the negative hit article that Citron tried to do on it, okay? You guys just stay the course. I'm telling you, they did this with NIO. Go look at where NIO at today. They did this with Tesla. Go look at where Tesla at today. They did this with Palantir. Look at how Palantir is bouncing back after hours. Those are just little things to take note of and pay attention to. Next up is Mich Technologies, guys. You see it was currently sitting at $37. Man, after hours, it is doing well as well, okay? It was down 2% on the day. However, it is, again, showing a lot of resistance and a lot of resiliency, okay? But listen, guys, this is another play that was slept on that now many may try to talk about, add, what have you, okay? It pays to, again, be in good plays early on because you get to celebrate and enjoy these types of run-ups, okay? I'm just slowly positioning you guys every single day, every single video, hoping I'm crafting your portfolio until yours look just like mine and you guys can see the type of gains that I've been seeing since January all the way to now. And last but not least, guys, we have LCA, LINGO Holdings, sitting at $20.55. It was up almost 13% on the day, and look at how it's crushing it after hours. I'm expecting big things over the weekend and again in aftermarket hour trading, because I told you guys this is a $30 play. We've been in it. The YouTubers are about to try to start getting in it, but more importantly, the big wigs are about to start paying attention to it, okay? But that's why it pays to follow a trusted voice that's going to set you guys up for success. And this is the reason why you want to be in on the front end, okay? When you're in on the front end, you can enjoy 50% run-ups with a bunch of room to run, okay? And that's the beauty of the stock market, guys. You're just making money hand over fist, making money while you sleep, and again, building your wealth slowly but surely. Up next, guys, is our word of the day, and our word of the day is when to sell. Listen, guys, I wanted to talk to you about when to sell because I think it's very important that I give you guys guidance. It's one thing for me to put you in all the home run plays and the plays that's going to be successful in the stock market, but it's another thing for me to help you exit properly out of some of those plays for those of you that are not long-term investors. Okay, listen, guys, I'm going to give you a real live demonstration because I know, or at least I never see this, and so if this does exist on YouTube, please let me know. I don't know too many YouTubers that are transparent, that show you their portfolio, show you their plays, and do it on a consistent basis. I'm talking about from $0 all the way to where we're at today, every single day. Okay, I'm not talking about, hey, I'm about to buy this stock, guys, this is the next stock I'm buying. I'm not talking about that kind of stuff, man. Okay, I'm talking about real life visual example of what they're truly doing. Okay, and that's what I'm about to do for you guys right now so that you guys can see when to sell. To kick it off, I'm going to use one of my actual plays. Okay, again, always keeping it real with you guys and always giving you the most transparent real life information. Okay, I can't speak for what everybody else do, but I want you guys, I just hope you guys appreciate it. I'll just say that. But let's look at Revolve Group. I have 100 shares of this. I bought this at $13.93. Guys, this is up. Look at my total returns. This is up 70%. You guys ask about when to take profits. I often say between 20 and 50% if you want to is a good range if it's a short-term play that you can take profits. Something like this would be another example where I just knew about this play again very early. I bought this originally at $8. Okay, I averaged up a little bit to get it over 100 shares, and now my average cost went to $13, but I'm still up 70% in even doing that. Okay, however, if I needed some money, say I taught you guys about the Airbnb play, if I wanted my initial investment to be $2,000, something like this that I'm up 70% on would be an example of where I can get some money from for that particular play, or I can just cash out completely and have this money go to my buying power. So guys, there's examples like this inside your own portfolio that you can be looking at as for ways, guys, that you can begin to know when to sell. I have a rule of thumb. You guys know I have you guys buy 125 shares of everything if you rock with me. The 25 is what we take profits on, or the 25 is what we sell, and then we hold the 100. Okay, and so guys, that just should help you right there in terms of when to sell. Okay, but I go by percentages because it helps you know, okay, I'm up 50% in this play, or in this particular play I'm up 70%. Matter of fact, you know what, this is not a long-term play for me. Let me go ahead and just get $2,000. Boom. Okay, so I hope that visual helped, and I hope it was appreciated. Okay, just so you guys can see in real time how to do it. And those that need to know, you just simply hit sell, and say if you wanted to sell 75 shares because you wanted $1,500 or a little bit over $1,500, you would just lock in that, and boom, you still will hold 25 shares, and you would take profit on the 75. Go about your business, man, and get ready for the next play. Listen, guys, I hope that was helpful. Up next, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Jimmy Irby. He says, what's up, Chris? How do you continue to buy shares without adding money to your buying power? By the way, I'm enjoying your videos. Keep up the good work and keep them coming. Jimmy, I thank you for sending this in, man. This is a phenomenal question. Okay, guys, I'm going to touch on what I just similarly touched on, but I want to break it down even further, man. I want to teach you guys something today that I hope helps you on your investment journey well beyond me. Okay, listen, man, how do you buy shares without adding money to your buying power? Let's break this down, and once again, as transparent as I know how to be, I'm going to give you guys another visual, 2 in 1 day, just to show you what I know other YouTubers wouldn't show you. Some of you may know this, some of you may not, especially if you're new here, but some stocks I hide money in. Okay, and I want you guys to get in the habit of picking a stock that's nice and does well consistently that you can hide money in. If you do know or you don't know, I don't use banks because banks does nothing for your money. Your money just sits there. It doesn't earn anything. It doesn't do anything. And there's a million stocks that will do better if you just put your money in there every single paycheck versus putting it in your bank. Okay, And so Nike is one of those plays for me. You guys know I began investing a long time ago, 12 years ago, and Nike was my first stock ever. So Nike, I'll just throw money in Nike for the sake of throwing money in Nike for a rainy day, whether in real life or in the stock market if we all want to buy something. Today I'm going to show you guys Capital Southwest, another play that although it's a dividend stock, it makes me monthly income. This is one way that you can continue to buy stocks without needing buying power or without adding money to your buying power. I have $6,500 in this, almost $6,600 in this. Okay guys, if I wanted to, again, without adding money to my buying power, but buy up APXT, if I wanted to buy up Plug, if I wanted to buy up any particular stock I want to, I can start initial position around 5,000 if I chose to. I can choose 2,500 of this, 6,500. I can take out 1,000 and 500. It doesn't matter, okay? But inside the plays, I keep some of the plays just full of cash. So in case I don't have time to add buying power, then I can do this, okay? And so listen, you guys that are new here may not know that on the road to 100K, I add a minimum of $500 every 2 weeks. However, I haven't did that in quite some time, okay? One reason being is because all of my plays are, I bought low and you see what they're doing. I show you guys that each and every day. But also I have things like this where sometimes I don't need to add money. I can just go into stocks that I know I hid money in and grab that out and use it towards a new play. Okay, like for instance, we're gonna all get into the Airbnb. If I wanted to, I can just use the money that's in here and make my initial investment be $5,000, okay, and keep 1,000 sitting in here. Simple as that. Listen guys, I hope that whole strategy, I hope the game that I give, again, that I see nowhere else, and if you do see it somewhere else, let me know so that I can cross-reference it and go show some love and salute it. But I'm trying to teach you how we build real wealth. I did this with $0 for my small people, for the little guy, okay? And I wanted to show the everyday person how to dominate the big people, the hedge funds, the experts, so-called experts, and things like that. And I come on here each and every day to show you guys just how to do it, the how and the why to every single thing. Okay, if you appreciate that kind of transparency, let me know, because I'm going to make sure that you guys continue to dominate the stock market. Okay, listen man, I hope that was helpful. If you guys have questions, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.